The bottle manufacturing process begins with thousands of transparent PET plastic pellets. These tiny pellets are automatically transferred into industrial drying systems.
The dried PET pellets are automatically fed into the injection molding machine. Inside the heated barrel, the pellets gradually melt into crystal clear molten plastic.
The molten PET is injected into precision steel molds, forming strong and perfectly shaped preforms. These preforms are the foundation of the PET preforms enter an infrared heating tunnel, where they are evenly reheated to the perfect temperature. This softens the plastic.
The heated PET preforms are stretched and inflated using high-pressure compressed air inside precision molds. In just a few seconds, each pre-bottle with its final shape.
After forming, the bottles are rapidly cooled in the molds to lock in their shape. System then remove each bottle and place it onto the conveyor, where production continues automatically without interruption.
Each bottle is cleaned using filtered air before advanced cameras inspect it for cracks, dents, thickness, and shape. Only perfectly formed bottles continue to the pack.
After passing inspection, the bottles are automatically counted and grouped. High-speed packaging machines carefully seal them into protective bags, preparing them for carton packing and final shipment.